Welcome back, everybody. I don't know what today is, 12th, 13th, 14th, one of those. I have not done one of these in weeks because we bought a house and then we went to Ohio and we moved today. So I am bringing the Spyder to the new house. This is going to be the last ride from Converse to Marion, Texas. And I'm excited. We're going to be checking out all new roads. We're going to be doing some maintenance. I've been saying that for years. Oosh. But that's what we're going to be doing. And I've literally been moving all day. For those of you who have not moved, oh my goodness, you are lucky. Second move in a year. One from Lancaster, Ohio to Converse, Texas, and now from Converse, Texas to Marion, Texas. And I keep saying Marion, Ohio because there's a Marion, Ohio. And we're heading up 35 toward Austin. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. What have you guys been doing? Anything exciting this summer? The summer's over with. Texas summer is still summer, which I absolutely love. And I can tell I have not been on this thing for a minute because I'm like, oh, can I go that fast in the corner? Oh yeah, I can go that fast in the corner. I'm jamming on brakes because I don't know what's going on. Get around, people. That's what we're going to do today. I just want to be done, go home and chill for the rest of the night. Texas is bad. People just hang out in that lane, and I don't quite get why it's so bad down here. Because it's Texas and they do what they want. I don't know. Not Ohio's bad, but not like here. We'll just come right across. And we'll go down 2 miles. Yeah, we'll think about getting back over. They are doing a ton of double decking here in San Antonio, and these semis park in the day and they get them all prepped for closing roads down at night. Cibolo, unless you ask the GPS, and it's Chibolo, but it's Cibolo. And we're getting off up here. Oh, it's a little Ford Taurus that is literally going slower than slow. Schwab Road, I do believe, is a cool name. Where do you live? Up 35, you go up on Schwab Road. Schwab. And it looks like where I'm moving, where I have moved to, it looks a little hilly, so we'll see. We are literally just south of New Braunfels. Which is cool. Cool. A whole new city, a whole new everything. To check out. I don't know if that lane merges. Yeah, it did. I thought it did. and then we come to a stop sign, and then there after the stop sign we turn onto the road. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be some pain medicine for me today. The wife's airman helped move us. It was quite amazing. Thank you, everybody. I probably shouldn't be doing 80 down through here. I think the speed limit's 50. And what an excellent day for a ride. And too bad I didn't get a ride in. I was like, oh, it's gonna be cool, you know, getting back to the house. And she's like, oh yeah, no, 84 degrees. 84 degrees, people, and I think it's cool. What has this world come to? Cool used to be like 50 degrees, now it's 84. 84 in Ohio. We're outside in the swimming pool, living life because it's a great day, and down here it's like, it's a little cool out today. It's amazing how your perspective changes. What lane are you guys jumping in? 2-liter turbo. They put that in absolutely everything. The wife's Audi, 2-liter turbo. Oh yeah, go figure. That's a cool Cypress Point. That's a cool little, no, it's the one before this one. It's a cool little neighborhood. We've looked at a ton of houses up through here. So when I first came down, we were just dating, not engaged, just dating. We went to look at houses, and one of the first house we ever looked at was down this road. Like, no joke. And then to buy a house down this road, because I was like, oh, we just left the city and there's Mook House. Okay. But yeah, it's just those line of houses. It was like, I don't know, 5 or 8 in. I was like, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. It's amazing how this world works. Oh, it's saying it's 94. It can't be 84. It's got to be 84, people. It can't be 94. It's too cool. Community yard sale. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful sunset, people. Beautiful sunset. Oh, it's gonna be hard getting off the Spyder. For those that suffer with ailments, sometimes climbing on and off of the Sabo is difficult. Hey, look, it's a little red race car. A little red race car. There we go. We're here, people. What do you think? It's a pretty little house. We got green on the side and behind, and I mean, this house was built in 2023, so it's a new build. I dig it. I really like this house. It's pretty cool. Oh. Oh my goodness. Let's get the garage door open. You guys want to see the house really quick? Now, don't judge. We're still moving. Yeah. There we go. The house. It's pretty wicked. I like it. My office is staging. There's my office. This room is huge. Huge room. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Do I have room for the Spyder in here? Moving the blue bike. Put the Spyder in that hole. Move too much. I don't have the strength. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, key on. Mode button. Brake button. Start button. Foot on the brake. Go button. So there we go, people. Oh, I got a lot to do. Who wants to come to Texas and help me do all this stuff? I can let you go on a Spyder ride. How's that? So on that, I'm going to let everybody go. Stay safe, everybody. If you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe. I'll see you down the road.